We got a new toy. Got it off Amazon. We're checking it out. And Ashley is doing a really good job. I was just trying to look for a spot that's still kind of green. I guess it is down there a little bit. It wasn't that green, but it was starting to turn on us. It is looking actually pretty doggone good. How long do you think it's been going, Mike? You think it's been going an hour? I wish I would have got this thing months ago. Yeah, 2 years ago. Yeah, that's true. We didn't, huh? This year, though, it is. Yeah, Mike just pointed out we built this. Last year we didn't have a problem, but we didn't have this up. And I guess he says we just built a leaf box. So maybe that's why we had so much more trouble this year. But Ashley is doing really good. It's just vibrates, moves right along, goes backwards. Does really good. I'm really impressed. Yeah, a lot better than the old way, huh? How much we pay for it? $89? Yeah, maybe $100 tax and all. Amazon's got it. I think it said $89, but then you add tax to it. But it does automatic suction. Uh-oh. Did it come loose? I think it stopped. No, it didn't? Yeah, see the hose vibrating? I guess it is. Says it takes 6 hours. We're going to see. Clean the average pool. This is 12 by 24. But actually it's doing pretty good so far. I'm really impressed. Hadn't got to that side yet. I think what we're going to do is we're going to hook it up to the middle. The original spot. Maybe if we hook it up in the middle, it would work better. But this is the first one. I'll make an update later. Overall, pretty good so far. Good morning. All right, next morning, and got up this morning and forgot, had left it on all night. And it was stuck on the ladder over there, underneath the ladder. See that round? That round thing that's kind of sitting on the bottom right there? It went up and up underneath the side of the ladder, so you can't leave that ladder like that inside there. You know, I believe it was stuck there in the same place all night long. But the sun's not out, so you can't really see very good, but I can tell that it did not go around the top. I can see around the top edge, or actually around the whole side. I'm going to let it go all day today and see if it goes up there, but I don't think it does. I don't know if you can tell, but it's just a little bit green, starting to turn green on us. I left it like that because I knew I was going to get this thing in the mail. So I was waiting so I could really tell if it worked. And so far, I mean, I was impressed when I first opened it and got it to going, but I'm not so much impressed anymore. I'm going to go and backwash, see if that makes a difference, because it slowed down way. I mean, oh yeah, and see how I don't know if you can tell, but yeah, you can. The hose vibrates. Seems like it's not moving, does it? If it is, it's very little. I'm gonna go backwash. I'll be back. See if that works. Okay, I backwashed. Let's see what it's gonna do under that ladder. Can't find a socket to get the screws out of it. Oh, it's backing out of it. Oh my goodness, it's gonna go up on the side. First time I've seen it go up on the side. Wow, you can literally tell where it was. Wow, that backwashing surely helped. Look at it go now. Alright, come back in a bit. Alright, I see a problem. Okay. My husband is an engineer. And the pool, originally, the pump was over there. Well, he's got pipes going in here, pipes going in there. He has 2 pumps hooked up to it. And so, I think, being that it's hooked up over here in the corner, something to do with the cord, gets over there, and it gets stuck. So, we talked about it yesterday, and I believe he is going to switch it back to over here. He's got to run more pipes. Maybe it might not get stuck this time. The way the hoses do. Okay, it's bringing itself out this time. But it was getting stuck over there and not moving. And I went inside to get a glass of water and come back out, and it was stuck underneath the ladder again. So the ladder definitely has to come out. I still have not seen it go up on the side but one single time. That was over here when I got it unstuck. So I'm not impressed about that either. Mike says keep the bottom clean and the sides won't matter, but I don't know. So I could really start seeing the spots that it missed. We're gonna see. I'll check it in another few hours. Be back. Alright, review on this thing right here. Tell you the truth, I'm not impressed. I took it out last night so I could really see this morning. Water's clear so you can really see. It's sprinkling. Sun's not out. But it missed. It went over the same spots over and over. I've not done anything to it, but now I'm actually going to get the manual vacuum out and clean it up the right way. I'm not going to send it back. I am going to keep it because Mike is going to take and transfer the pipes over to where they actually go. I'll do another review later, but if you have a pool and your husband has engineered and it is coming, you have to hook it up to the corner. Not a good job. I hope it actually works when we hook it up down there in the middle so it can go back and forth. Alright, I gotta go manually clean the pool now. Bye.